Imagine you want to launch a new product on the market and you want to test the perception of your clients before you actually launch it in real world. Now, with the social simulation platform, you can do it. You can leverage the capabilities of Gen AI-based digital personas that will be digital copies of your real customers with all of their preferences, interests, and opinions. You will have access to an entire and dedicated interface with the identity cards of the digital copies of your clients in order to see all of their preferences, behaviors, opinions, and personalities. Thanks to the possibility of integrating the tool with your enterprise system, this identity card could be based on your real data in order to create a synthetic representation of your customer base. You will be also able to start chatting with your digital personas in order to ask them for their opinion about products, offer, services, and any other kind of topics related to your field of interest. You can write messages, upload images and files, and ask them for their opinions. Of course, they will always answer based on their identity cards, on their interests and their specific behaviors and opinions. Now imagine that you want to create a discussion with all the personas in your system. Well, with the social simulation platform, you can create a focus group including all the personas of your interest. The tool is able to automatically generate different questions based on your topic description, the files or the images you want to add to your campaign, to your product, to your offer, and the questions will be automatically generated. And this is where the magic starts. You will see that the tool is able to generate an entire discussion among all of the personas you selected in the first stage. You will have access to a general summary of the discussion in order to see the main points and the most relevant insights about the conversation. Also, you will have access to the entire conversation history to see the questions and the related answer. But you will see that the personas do not only answer the questions, but they are also able to interact with each other and be influenced by each other, just like real-world conversations. Finally, you will have access to an entire improvement plan in order to see the main issues about your product or your service and understand what you can do to improve the product and to meet the needs of your customer.